Tired of Windows 11 Copilot? In this video, we'll show you how to disable it permanently, removing it from your taskbar and your system for good. Right-click the Windows icon and select Settings. In Settings, click Personalization from the left menu. Select Taskbar. Locate the Copilot option and toggle it off. This removes Copilot from the taskbar, but does not disable it completely. Open the Windows search bar and type gpedit.msc, then click on Edit Group Policy. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Copilot. On the right-hand side, double-click on Turn off Windows Copilot. In the pop-up box, select Enabled. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.